Hello student, welcome to Mathematical Thoughts. So in this video we are going to see a very basic concept of ring homomorphism, and with the help of that ring homomorphism and with the help of this result we solve a question based on the polynomial rings and its maximal ideal related question which has been asked in June 2023. तो ये क्वेश्चन इस चीज़ को हम सॉल्व करने के लिए जो कि एक क्वेश्चन अच्छा सा पूछा गया है मैक्सिमल आइडियल पे, और उसको हम देखेंगे कि हम कैसे रिंग होमोमॉर्फिज्म की हेल्प से कितना इजीली और एक लाइन में कैसे हम वो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे हमारे पास ZX है जो कि ये एक रिंग फॉर्म करता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन, पॉलिनोमियल रिंग है। और राइट साइड में ले रहा हूँ ZPX ओवर FX कोई एक पॉलिनोमियल है। तो मैं एक फाई मैप डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ फ्रॉम ZX टू ZPX ओवर FX। सो कैसे डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ मैं आपको, फाई ऑफ GX कहाँ के एलिमेंट है, दिस ZX, और फाई ऑफ ZX इक्वल टू GX प्लस FX मॉड P। तो GX क्या होगा, कोई पॉलिनोमियल होगा ZX में, तो उसके कोफिशिएंट्स क्या होंगे, इंटीजर्स होंगे। तो अब उसको हम अगर मॉड P लगा देंगे तो क्या होंगे, इसके सारे कोफिशिएंट किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे, ZP में। और हम आइडियल जो FX है इसको अगर इस तरह प्लस लिखने का मतलब क्या होगा, अगर इसका जो पार्ट भी आइडियल में जाएगा वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, मीन्स दिस होल टर्म मस्ट बिलोंग्स टू ZPX ओवर FX। सो दिस मीन्स दिस मैप इज वेल डिफाइंड, and this is an exercise for you to check that this map is well defined actually. So I have told you and verify that how this map is well defined, but you have to write it and prove it, okay. And one more thing, the first one thing, the phi is a ring homomorphism. So these are simple things you have to prove and you can prove easily. And the second is a phi is ring onto also. Onto means one can see any, let's say HX belongs to ZPX over FX, then you can write this simply HX plus FX, this also, and some P times something, whatever you can say, P times KX, let's write this belongs to ZX, okay. So this is actually belongs to ZX, and not write like this, actually you can write like here from not just FX, just like K2X FX. So if HX belongs to ZPX, then you can write this like this HX plus you can write H bar X. H bar X belongs to ZPX over FX, then HX plus K2, this H bar X is equal to HX plus K2X plus FX plus P times KX for some polynomial HX, FX, K2X, and this belongs to ZX. Then you have to find phi of H bar, find of this polynomial, what is this written, this polynomial, then this image will be H bar X, okay. So this is a simple thing you can do and you can verify. Just I have given a hint and I am not writing very nice, but you try to do it, okay. It's very simple and you can do it. Just try to take up, and just like number, if you take any number between ZP, just like P equal to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 4 only, not 5. Then 3, you can take 3 belongs to Z5 and 3 is itself in an integer. So like that you can consider, and when you take this map phi you will get that image, that is phi is onto. Now we find the what is the kernel of this phi, because it is ring homomorphism onto. Now we find what is kernel of this. So kernel is the element of GX in this ZX such that phi of GX, this must be 0 in this ring, and 0 in this ring is quotient ring is FX. So phi of GX, that is this, I have written here, and is equal to 0, that is this, so then I write it here equal to FX. So what does it means, GX plus mod PX, P means P times K1X for some K1X belongs to this ZPX equals to FX, ideal FX, not only FX. Again just write this and write FX right this side. Then again you can see here one thing, this point, that is if A plus I equals to I, this implies A belongs to ideal, okay. So using this fact we are saying that GX plus P K1X must belongs to FX, and this belongs to FX means ideal generated by FX. This implies FX divides GX plus P by K1X just by the definition of ideal. and this implies Jx equal to P times K1x Fx times K2x for some K2x in Zx. Okay. Now just write Gx. What is Gx? Gx equal to Fx plus K2x minus P times K1x. That is Fx times K2x plus P times K1x. That just we take minus into the K1, that we write K1x dash x equals to minus K1x. So this implies Gx belongs to this ideal Fx comma P. Why? The element of this ring is look like how? Any element you take, this will be Ax Fx plus P Bx, where Ax and Bx belongs to Zx. Okay. So any element of this ideal Fx Px in Zx will look like this. So this implies Jx, and we have proved that Gx equal to Fx some polynomial, P some polynomial. This means whole Gx belongs to this ideal, and this implies Gx is the element of ring. So this implies kernel of phi must be contained in this ideal that is generated by Fx comma P. Okay. And this is a simple thing, you can just write, if you take any element of this kind, means like this, if you take any element like Ax plus Fx plus Px, then if you apply here phi of Ax Fx plus P Bx, then you can know that okay, if you take Ax Fx plus P Bx, this ideal Fx mod P, then mod P, this implies 0, and this Ax Fx must belongs to Fx, this whole must belongs to f of x, means it is 0 in the this is 0 in this means this is contained in kernel of phi. So one can write is regress in this, and I put it here as an exercise, but you should try to in regress way, in wonderful way, how to prove the results. Okay. Now just recall this first isomorphism theorem. If phi is a ring homomorphism from R1 to R2 and it is onto ring homomorphism, then it states that R1 over kernel of phi is isomorphic to R2. So that is we get this result, a wonderful result, that is Zx over Fxp is isomorphic to Zpx over Fx. So that is be always as a result that you can say Zx over Fx comma P is isomorphic to Zpx over Fx. Now this is a simple proof and simple ring theory. Now I will see and I will show you that how can it will be most useful, and within a second you can solve a very question that is asked in June 2023. तो हम देखते हैं कि क्वेश्चन क्या था पहले और इस रिजल्ट का कैसे हम यूज करेंगे. तो इसको आप दिमाग में रख लीजिए, मैं इसको अभी हटाने चल रहा हूँ यहाँ से, और काफ़ी सिंपल क्वेश्चन था और इसकी हेल्प से हम कैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे वो देखते हैं. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है जो पूछा गया था. ठीक है. मैं इस रिजल्ट को यहाँ पे रहने देता हूँ जिससे सही रहे. ओके. ये इस रिजल्ट को यहाँ रहने देते हैं जिसका हम यूज करेंगे. ये क्वेश्चन है जो कि पूछा गया था यहाँ पे इस बार. ये कब का क्वेश्चन है? ये है जून 2023 में पूछा गया CSIR नेट का क्वेश्चन है. इसमें देखिए इस रिजल्ट का हम कैसे सिंपल सा यूज करेंगे. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है आपसे, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ देता हूँ. व्हिच आर द फॉलोइंग आइडियल्स आर मैक्सिमल आइडियल इन Zx. ओके. Now we will use two facts. Number one, what is maximal ideal? You should know. Okay. So it is a exercise, you should know what is maximal ideal, that definition. Okay. First of all, and the second is a result that if R is a ring with unity, commutative ring with unity, okay, then R by I is filled if and only if I is maximal ideal. So now we use this result and this fact that we have proved already, and we try to solve how you can solve it within the second question, seconds. So just see first option. So just write Zx over 2 comma 1 plus x square. This is the ideal. This is a given ideal that we are given. So if this ideal means ideal generated by 2 and this ideal generated by 2 and 1 plus x square, it is maximal if this is a field. So this is isomorphic to, just by this result what we get, z2x over 1 plus x square. Now when it is, whenever this one is the field, when the polynomial, this polynomial is irreducible in z2x, or irreducible over z2, but you can see that it is not irreducible. 1 plus x square, x ka whole square equals to 1 plus x ka whole square. So this is, this polynomial 1 plus x square is not irreducible in z2x. So this means this cannot be field, and if this is not field, this implies this ideal cannot be maximal ideal. Okay, so here we have done that. This is a simple thing. So that what does it implies all over? This means the first option is incorrect, it is not maximal ideal. Again for second part we do similarly, just write zx over 2 comma 1 plus x plus x square. This is isomorphic to z2x over 1 plus x square, and you can note that this one is irreducible. And how you are checking it is irreducible? It is 2 degree polynomial. So by root test you can check. In z2 you have 0, 1, 2, sorry 0 and 1 only. So 0 is not root and 1 is also not root. So this means this is irreducible polynomial. This is irreducible polynomial means this is field, and if this is field, this means this is a maximal ideal. So this implies second option is correct. Now come for third option. So in third we have zx over 3 comma 1 plus x square. This is isomorphic to z3x over 1 plus x square. Now you can check this is a irreducible polynomial over z3, not over z2, over z3, and if it is irreducible polynomial, this means this whole is a field. Okay, so it is field, and if it is field, this implies this is a maximal ideal. So this means third option is also correct. Now come to for the fourth option, that is here. So that is, if you write zx over 3 comma 1 plus x square, this is again isomorphic to z3x over 1 plus x square, and you can see this is not irreducible over z3. Why? 1 is a root. 1 plus 1 is 3 and it becomes 0. So this 1 is root of this polynomial, so it is not irreducible, and this implies this is not a field, and if it is not field, this implies this is not a maximal ideal. So this is not a maximal. So correct options are 2 and 3. So you can see that कितना अच्छा रिजल्ट हमने ये प्रूफ किया, और उससे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया था कि हमें मैक्सिमल आइडियल बताना है, हमें मैक्सिमल आइडियल निकालना था जेडएक्स में, और कोई नहीं सोच सकता कि इस क्वेश्चन को इतनी सिंपली से अगर आपको ये रिजल्ट पता हो तो आप कैसे इसको आप सीधे सीधे 2 लाइन में आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। मैंने डिटेल में बताया, इसलिए थोड़ा सा लिखने में टाइम लगा, अदरवाइज आप सीधे देख सकते हैं कि ये क्या होगा। आपको देखना है कि 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर z2x में इरेड्यूसिबल है, रिड्यूसिबल है, ये पॉलिनोमियल z2x में रिड्यूसिबल है, ये z3x में, क्योंकि ये क्या है, ये आपको z2 z3 के आइसोमॉर्फिक हो जाएगा, और ये पॉलिनोमियल उसे कोसेंट आइडियल में आ जाएगा, क्योंकि कोसेंट रिंग फॉर्म करेगा। तो आपको केवल यही चेक करना था 2 डिग्री के पॉलिनोमियल को कि ये इरेड्यूसिबल है या रिड्यूसिबल है ओवर z2 एंड z3 ओनली, एंड यू कैन सॉल्व, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। तो थैंक यू। और एनी काइंड आपको डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में आप बताइए, और हम और कॉन्सेप्ट्स को लेके आएंगे। तो ये काफ़ी सिंपल क्वेश्चन था और काफ़ी ही इंटरेस्टिंग था। इसका रिजल्ट कहाँ से आता है, अगर आप डिफिनीशन से मैक्सिमल आइडियल सॉल्व करोगे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा इसको प्रूफ करना। बट फॉर एन एक्सरसाइज आई विल गिव यू एक्सरसाइज, जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड दैट दिस 2 मीन्स कॉमा x plus 1, is it maximal ideal? So when you use this result you can say, but try to prove it by definition. You will learn a lot of things. Just try to prove this. Is it maximal ideal in ZX? Obviously we are talking about ZX, ring of integers, polynomial ring over integers. So this ZX, try to prove it maximal ideal or not by definition. Okay. So So if you find any difficulty, let us know in comment and we will provide some wonderful proofs for this also. Thank you.